At Honey Can Do, we are your source for organization, storage, and style. We make product assembly easy so that, well, any honey can do it. To begin, remove product contents and group all like parts. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver for assembly of this product. Locate the two side supports and the 8-bin support bars. Notice that the larger, recessed holes face inward and the smaller holes face outward. Attach the bin support bars to the side supports using screws and a screwdriver, like this. Please note that the wall safety anchors attach here and are recommended to help stabilize the unit by attaching it to a wall. You can drill holes in the wall, push in the wall anchor sleeves, and attach the unit using the wall anchor screws. Now, just put the bins into place and presto! Your organizer is ready for storage action. Happy organizing! At Honey Can Do, we don't believe you have to go broke to have a beautiful, well-organized home. An assembly should be easy to do.